kids. I hope you are happy, healthy, and fine. I am Bisma Wahid from Glorious Study Circle, and our today's topic is mental strategies for multiplication. If you haven't subscribed the channel, quickly subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so you can get all upcoming videos. Please watch the video till end so you can get clear concept of mental strategies for multiplication. So let's get started without wasting our time. First mental strategy is commutative property. First of all, you should learn what is commutative property. The commutative property states that the numbers on which we operate can be moved or swapped from their position without making any difference to the answer. That means if you are swapping the numbers but you are using the same multiplication operation, so you will get the same answer. For example, let's check example of commutative property. Let's say we have 2 times 6, so it's equal to 12. Now if we swap the numbers, if we swap 2 by 6 and 6 by 2, so the new sentence will be 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is also 12. That means by swapping the numbers, the answer will not be changed. So it is the mental strategy of commutative property. Let's check more example of commutative property. In this example, we have 4 times 6 and 6 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24, and if we swap the numbers, 6 times 4 will also be 24, because we are just changing the rows into columns and columns into rows, but the number of objects will remain same. Next mental strategy is multiplying tens, hundreds, and ones. Now let's see how it will work. First of all, multiplying by tens. Let's check what is multiplying by tens. If you are multiplying any number by 10, the answer will be the number and the 0. For example, 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 7 is 70, 10 times 8 is 80, 10 times 9 is 90, 10 times 10 is 100. If we multiply 11 by 10, it will be 110. 12 by 10 will be 120. 13 by 10 will be 130. What we are doing, we are just adding a 0 at the end. 14 times 10, 140. 15 times 10, 150. Now, if we multiply 437 by 10, so definitely we will add a 0 at the end. So, it will be 4370. Notice anything about the zeros? That when we are multiplying by 10, that means the 0 will be added at the end of the number that is in the multiplier. Let's talk about multiply by 100. The amazing thing is that it's just like the same as multiplying by 10. So what is the difference? The difference is here, this time we will add 2 zeros. Like 1 times 100, 100, 2 times 100, 200, 3 times 100, 300, 4 times 100, 400. Now 12 times 100 will be 1200, or you can say it 1200. 15 times 100, 1500, or you can say 1500. Then 1152 multiplied by 100 will be 15200, because we are just adding 2 zeros and we will call it 15,200. So if we have 3,214 and we are multiplying it by 100, what will happen this time? Yes, we will add the two zeros and the resultant number will be 3,21,400. So did you notice 0 here too? That we are adding two zeros at the end this time, and when there was multiplying by 10 we were adding one zero because 10 has one zero and 100 has two zeros. Now let's talk about multiplying by 1000. So it's the same as we were multiplying by 10, we were adding one zero. When we were multiplying by 100, we were adding two zero along with that number. And when we are multiplying by 1000, so yes, we are adding three zeros along with that number. So 3 times 1000 will be 3000. So what is the difference between 10, 100 and 1000? That in 10 there is one zero, in 100 there is two zero, and in 1000 there is three zeros. So we will add the zeros according to the multiplier and that number will be the same, just we will add the zeros at the end. I hope this mental strategy will work to you and you will get a lot of benefit from this. For these type of videos, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.